it's Becky with another 90-second or less Canva tip for you. You can see right here that this is my Farm Girl Marketing Instagram page, and I have highlight covers, so it's really easy to tell when you want to check out my page what you're actually checking out. So these are actually really easy to create, and go to create a design. You choose Instagram story highlight cover, and then it will show you some possible templates. You can pick one, and you can choose to do a text one or a picture one, whatever you want. You'll figure out what looks good for your brand. I'm going to actually use one of these. And so I'm going to name the first one, our studio. And the way they have this set up, it's going in all small letters. I think that's kind of cute. I'm going to hit it so it's right for the brand, which actually messed with my letters. So now I'll change those to a lighter color. And there you go. Now, to make another one, I'm just going to copy that, change the word, and then I'm going to make one more for pictures of people who come in here. People always want to know who comes to the studio. Will I feel out of place, or are they about my age? That kind of thing. So they're looking at those pictures to find that out. Right, then you download it, you upload, you go into new Instagram highlight, put in your highlight, select from your stories or put a new one in, and the very last thing it asks you is what do you want for the cover on that highlight. Have a great time. Good luck. Call me if you have any issues.